Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. The product of Donald's age in years 5 years ago with his age in years 3 years hence is 180. Then we have to find his current age. So first of all we'll assume that let the current age of Donald be x. So we can say that his age 5 years ago will be x minus 5 and his age 3 years hence will be 3 more than x, that is x plus 3. So according to question it is given that this product x minus 5 and x plus 3 is equal to 180. Now let us simplify this. So if we expand this we will get this equation. And finally, after simplifying, we'll get the quadratic equation as x square minus 2x minus 195 equal to 0. So after splitting the middle term, we can write minus 2x as minus 15x plus 13x. Now let us take x common from the first two term. We'll get x minus 15, then 13 common from the last two terms. Then we'll get x minus 15 equal to 0. Now the factors are x plus 13 and x minus 15 equal to 0. If we equate it to 0, we'll get the value of x as minus 13 and 15. But x cannot be negative because it is age here. So x cannot be negative. So x cannot be minus 13. Therefore, finally x is equal to 15. So x is the Donald's current age. Hence, we can say that Donald's current age is 15 years. So this is our answer.